Hi, I'm Jessica. So the products in our lives always go through a production process of packaging, inspection, and barcodes printing before they are delivered to us. So this conveyor is an integrated conveyor system. So after the medicine boxes are dispensed from the folding machine, they enter to the first segment of the conveyor. And this conveyor uses cylinders align the boxes on one side, ensuring that the boxes remain tidy on the conveyor belt throughout the transportation process. The medicine boxes then move to the second conveyor, equipped with the weighing mechanism. And this conveyor can dynamically detect the weight of each package based on predetermined criteria. So if the boxes is overweight or underweight, the system triggers the rejection mechanism to remove the non-compliance box from the conveyor process. On the side of the third segment of the conveyor, there is an apparatus for barcodes printing. As the medicine boxes pass through this mechanism, it prints products barcodes by labeling the boxes with identification information. At the end of the conveyor, a set of nozzle is installed. When the medicine boxes pass through the section, any boxes that were identified as non-compliant during the previous weighing process will be eliminated by the nozzles. Finally, the deckly packaged medicine boxes are delivered to the personnel for sorting and boxing, preparing the products to be sent to the customers. Ultimately, it provides neatly arranged finished medicine boxes for manual boxing. So if you have any questions about the conveyor, let us know.